In today's video, I have for you 3 recipes for bread spreads. Personally, I really do love all kinds of bread spreads, but the ones from the shop are usually highly processed and contain a lot of oil and other stuff I don't really want to eat. This is why I have plenty of those recipes that I just use on a daily basis. And today I will share with you 3 of them. Before we begin, as always, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And now, without further ado, let's begin. For this recipe you will need 250 grams of cooked lentils, which is around 1 cup and 100 grams of dry lentils, 30 grams of cashews, 50 grams, which is around 5 tablespoons of unsweetened plant-based milk, 300 grams of raw beetroot, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 garlic clove. Place cashews in the milk and set aside for a while so they soften. Next step is to cut beetroot into the smaller pieces. There is no need to peel the beetroot, just clean it very well before using it. Place the beetroot in a baking tray. I use a glass baking tray that has a cover. That way I do not need to use any oil. If you don't have the top for your baking tray, you can just spray a little bit with oil. Set the oven for 200 degrees Celsius and bake the beetroot for 30 to 40 minutes until soft on conventional settings. When the beetroots are soft and ready, take them carefully out of the oven and let them cool down a little bit for a while. In the cup of a blender, place all of the ingredients. When all the ingredients are in, blend them until smooth. Transfer the spread into a bowl or a jar, top it with some salt and pepper, and serve whenever you're ready. I think it goes really great with just some whole grain bread and a pinch of pepper. The possibilities are endless and I hope you will enjoy. For this recipe you will need 190 grams or 1 cup of black beans. You can use the one from the can or you can cook them yourself from the scratch. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce or liquid aminos, and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then all that's left is to place all of the ingredients into a cup of a blender and blend until smooth. When the spread is ready, place it into a bowl or a jar and top with some salt and pepper. I do like to serve it on a whole grain bread with slices of fresh tomatoes and green onions. But go as creative as you want and use it wherever you want, it's really tasty. For this recipe you will need around 210 grams of white beans, which is about 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce or liquid aminos, and around 10 dried tomatoes. Place all of the ingredients into a cup of a blender and blend until smooth. If you want to make this recipe oil-free, you can use sun-dried tomatoes that are not from oil. I would strongly recommend you to first soak them a little bit beforehand to make sure they are soft. If you just want to reduce the oil, you can just rinse the sun-dried tomatoes before placing them in the blender. Transfer into a bowl and serve whenever you're ready. So as you can see, they're all really simple. The beetroot one requires a little bit more effort, but it's not really much. Otherwise, they are pretty easy and very cheap to make. So if you ever try them, please make sure you comment down below and share them on Instagram and tag me ReShape_official. I would love to see what you made. If you'd like to try any of those spreads, you can find the recipes already on my website, the link to which is over here or in the description down below. As always, there are PDFs to every single one of those recipes, so you can save it up for the future reference on your laptop or on your phone. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if so, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye!